Can you hear the difference? The notes are almost the same, but one sounds much more impressive. This is not a normal bend. It is a tiny downward bend. It doesn't change the melody. It gives the melody more feeling. Blues and rock guitarists use this all the time. Today, let's practice it on the third string. Push the string down just a little bit. Keep your thumb over the neck for better control. Less is more. Don't bend too far. A tiny movement makes a big difference. This bend is not about changing the note. It's about adding feeling. Gray solo is not louder, they are more expressive. Small movements create big expression. See you next time.